Turn on. Please turn on the lights. Please turn on the lights. Turn off. Don't forget to turn off the TV. Don't forget to turn off the TV. Call off. They had to call off the meeting due to bad weather. They had to call off the meeting due to bad weather. Get up. I need to get up early tomorrow. I need to get up early tomorrow. Wake up. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Give up. Never give up on your dreams. Never give up on your dreams. Take off. The plane will take off in an hour. The plane will take off in an hour. Land on. The bird landed on the tree branch. The bird landed on the tree branch. Look for. I'm looking for my keys. I'm looking for my keys. Look after. Can you look after the kids while I'm out? Can you look after the kids while I'm out? Take care of. He takes care of his elderly parents. He takes care of his elderly parents. Show up. Make sure to show up on time for the interview. Make sure to show up on time for the interview. Drop off. I'll drop you off at the station. I'll drop you off at the station. Pick up. I'll pick you up at the airport. I'll pick you up at the airport. Check in. You can check in at the hotel after 2 p.m. You can check in at the hotel after 2 p.m. Check out. Please check out of your room by noon. Please check out of your room by noon. Run out of. We've run out of milk. We've run out of milk. Run into. I ran into an old friend at the mall. I ran into an old friend at the mall. Go on. The show must go on. The show must go on. Come across. I came across an interesting article online. I came across an interesting article online. Bring up. She brought up an important issue at the meeting. She brought up an important issue at the meeting. Set up. They set up a new company together. They set up a new company together. Give in. He finally gave in and agreed to help. He finally gave in and agreed to help. Turn up. He didn't turn up for the party. He didn't turn up for the party. Show off. He loves to show off his new car. He loves to show off his new car. Cut off. They cut off the power due to the storm. They cut off the power due to the storm. Hold on. Please hold on while I transfer your call. Please hold on while I transfer your call. Get by. We can get by with what we have. We can get by with what we have. Break up. They decided to break up after years of dating. They decided to break up after years of dating. Look up. You can look up the definition online. You can look up the definition online. Bring down. Their negative attitude can bring down the team. Their negative attitude can bring down the team. Take over. The new CEO will take over next month. The new CEO will take over next month. Go over. Let's go over the details one more time. Let's go over the details one more time. Work out. I try to work out at the gym 3 times a week. I try to work out at the gym 3 times a week. Check out. You should check out the new restaurant downtown. You should check out the new restaurant downtown. Call back. I'll call you back later. I'll call you back later. Fill out. Please fill out this form. Please fill out this form. Look forward to. I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to meeting you. Give away. They give away free samples at the store. They give away free samples at the store. Put off. They had to put off the wedding until next year. They had to put off the wedding until next year. Settle down. After traveling the world, he decided to settle down. After traveling the world, he decided to settle down. Show up. Don't forget to show up for the party. Don't forget to show up for the party. Turn down. They turned down the offer because of the salary. They turned down the offer because of the salary. Run away. The child tried to run away from home. The child tried to run away from home. Take on. He's willing to take on new challenges. He's willing to take on new challenges. Back up. Make sure to back up your important files. Make sure to back up your important files. Carry on. We need to carry on with our plans. We need to carry on with our plans. Look up to. Many people look up to their parents. Many people look up to their parents. Break down. The car broke down on the highway. The car broke down on the highway. Count on. You can count on me for support. You can count on me for support.